Hello, this is Brad Stepp with Stepp Manufacturing. Today I will show you how to check and replace your coil and your fuel stem. The tools needed to do so will be a voltmeter that you can check ohms on, a PZ1 torque bit, a straight blade screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, and a hacksaw or a cutoff wheel. Now to remove the stem, you will have to put a small relief cut in there to get a straight blade screwdriver on there. You can either use a hacksaw or a cutoff wheel. Now you can use your straight blade screwdriver to hold the stem while loosening the 10mm nut. Try not to damage the wave washer, as that is a non-replaceable part. Remove your 10mm nut. Remove your wave washer. Remove your coil. You will now expose the stem and the mounting plate. There is 2 screws there and there that hold the mounting plate on. You will need a torque bit PZ1. You will want to sand down the tip and the edges slightly so you get full engagement of the torque bit into the bolt. You can now loosen those 2 bolts and be very careful as they strip out easy. You can now remove your 2 screws and your mounting plate. You will now have the stem. The best way to check a stem is to do a shake test. You should be able to feel the magnet inside fall back and forth in there. If it is not, replace your stem. For reinstalling a new stem, just follow the process in reverse. Your new stem will come with a fresh O-ring, so you can replace that as well. Tighten your PZ1 torque bolts. Make sure to tighten them evenly. You can now replace the coil, install the wave washer, and tighten up your 10mm nut. Once you see that stem start to spin a little bit, that's tight enough. You can now reinstall your cord set. And you have now just replaced the stem and the coil. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to maintain your Stepp equipment. For more service-related questions, please call or email.